I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Mimoys Grill. Yes guys, one of the favorite grill house at Tops Lookout, which just opened a new branch at Gridford Park at Nasipit, Talamban, is now available for delivery. So now we can satisfy our barbecue cravings safely in our homes. Mimoys Grill is open every day to take our orders from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. To order, you may just message your official social media accounts or you may contact 0928-934-8491. And what we are having right now are their best sellers. So for that, mga nita guys, ang gunahon gyud din nato ang pork barbecue. You can have this pork tenderloin on a stick for 35 pesos only. And what I really love is generous kasi lamuhatag og soy sauce. Kaya di ba lami jud kayo ang toyo with the barbecue? Usahay gali ako pa nang ibutang sa rice. Ayan. Next, we're trying their premium chorizo de Cebu. You can have a stick of this for 75 pesos. And butangan din tong toyo para mas makaon tagdaghang rice. And then we are having their pork belly. When you order this, it would be at 200 pesos kuyog na pud ang 1 cup of rice. And lastly, we are having their chicken thighs which is at 170 pesos na nasa ni siya rice nga kuyog. And this is what I miss, kanang pure chicken lang, wala daghang marinate, lami ra gyud siya nga pagkaluto. Pero for that, balik na sa pork belly and daghan dayon rice na kinamuton gyud dayon nato. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!